Hey, it's Clay with Zipper Rescue. Introducing the Outdoor Kit. Let's take a look at what's inside. Our kits use the highest quality US and Japanese made parts, which means they last longer than cheap knockoff products. Remember, not all zippers are created equal. For coil zippers, the kit has several sizes of single and double pull sliders, ranging from size 3 to size 8. These are commonly used for backpacks, luggage, tents, sleeping bags, and more. For plastic tooth zippers, there are two size 5 sliders used on jackets and winter wear. We include 3 top stops used when replacing sliders on separating zippers and 6 bottom stops used to replace sliders on non-separating or closed-in zippers. There's a guide on the back of the color card to help with selecting the correct size and type. Each slider has a different shape, and the outlines are drawn to scale so you can easily find a match. The 9-page manual is packed with useful information, diagrams, and repair instructions. Remember to check out our full selection of zipper rescue kits, which come in handy for all types of items. If you want help choosing the right kit, you can try the Zipper Wizard on our website and linked in the description below. This tool will determine if your zipper can be repaired and set you up with the right parts so you can purchase with confidence. Sometimes repairs don't go as planned. If you need help, it's best to use the contact forms on our website. You can trust that our customer service team is ready to find you solutions that work. Please watch our other instructional videos to learn about each kit and for specific item repairs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.